FOMC is today. Wow. I bought some ETH. This is the biggest day of the year. If you want to make money, this is probably the best day of the year to make money in crypto. All right, let's go. Welcome to the Kale Show. This is going to be a quick update because we have the FOMC in less than 2 hours. And so I wanted to make a quick video. This is very, very urgent. Do me a favor, guys. Smash the like button if you get value from this because I think I'm going to blow your mind, okay? First, you're wondering what the hell an FOMC meeting is. It's when these Federal Reserve people, they come out and they talk about the money printer. They're going to come out and they're going to tell you how much money are they going to print, and the entire world is going to react to this. Every single market, crypto, stocks, it all comes down to this. And this is a huge day, guys. I've been talking about this for weeks. So what they're expecting is Powell to raise the interest rates by half a percentage point, 0.5. So if they raise it by 0.5, it is my opinion that we will get a pump in Bitcoin and in Ethereum and in altcoins, a very temporary pump here because everyone is expecting that to happen. So when expectations are met, that allows the market to relax a little bit. It's kind of like if your wife told you that, you know, she was going to get a new job, right? And you were really dependent on that money. You were like, wifey, I need you to support me. If you don't pay my bills, babe, we're screwed. And then she gets the job. And you're able to relax a little bit, right? That's exactly what the markets are going to do. They're going to relax a little bit today, and they're going to go up when Powell announces this 0.5 hike. And how do I know this? Because the last three meetings, I've mapped out these green lines right here are the last three FOMC meetings, right? I want to show you something, okay? That's very, very interesting, okay? We had the meeting. Gosh dang it, I want to draw. What's the big deal? Okay. Right here, we had this meeting. We had a nice little temporary pump. We had the meeting here. We had a nice little temporary pump. We had the meeting here. We had a nice little temporary pump. This is going back 3 months. Even this last one where everything was doom and gloom after, like this one marked almost the top right here back. This is back in December. The December FOMC meeting right here, we had a nice little pump, but then we went back down. And as you'll notice, we went back down after the initial pump. You know, it took a couple days and then we were back down again afterwards. So this is a short-term trade. Do I have to make my face bigger so you guys understand? Short-term trade. Okay, so I bought a ton of Ethereum here. I posted the trade in the Gen Hall, which is our NFT project, 2+2 Genesis. I posted this yesterday at 9:20 a.m. Just bought a bunch of Ethereum. I think we will bounce after FOMC. I'm willing to bet on that with a safe coin like ETH. Not confident enough to buy Luna or other alts instead. So if you wanted this trade earlier, if you wanted to buy in earlier, you should have been in the NFT. I post all my trades live. And yeah, I don't know. I just think it's valuable. I think it's great to have a community where you can actually bounce these ideas off people and try to make money in this market because this is a difficult market. So buy one of these NFTs. It's linked below and you can see all my trades live and we can talk every single day. It's the best community ever. Make sure you do that. And earn interest on your coins, blockfi.com/Kale. They're only going to be the show sponsor for another few weeks here. So if you want to use my link and get $250 in free Bitcoin, make sure you go to blockfi.com/Kale because I'm going to be moving on with that sponsorship. Now, what was I saying? I got a little bit distracted. All I know, guys, is this. Okay, I summarized it right here. I want this to be a short video so you guys can get to trading, but I think we bounce tomorrow because of these reasons, right? We have the Fed. They're trying for a soft landing. This guy, Jerome Powell, he does not want to crash the markets, right? He wants to be remembered as a guy who managed things well, right? That's what most of us want. We want people to think that we were smart, that we managed the situation well, and he is in charge. He knows that he is in charge of the world economy, right? What he says moves world markets. And so he's said it over and over again. I have listened to every single meeting live for the past, every single one for like 6, 7, 8 months here. So I know exactly what he says. And he is saying that he's trying to do a soft landing. And a soft landing is exactly what it sounds like. It means like he means that he is going to slow down the money printer, but he's trying not to crash the markets. And Powell is really good at soothing the markets. He's good at talking in a voice like this. Hey, baby, it's going to be okay. Don't you worry. Don't you worry, honey. Should I zoom in on my face so you can see me? Hey, don't you worry, girl. It's going to be okay. Hey, you know what? We're going to print that money, but we're only going to, we're going to print it. We're going to slow. I know we're not going to print as much as I said we were going to print, but we still going to print it, baby. Hey, don't get too sad, baby. All right, that was creepy. I know you're all creeped out. But that's what he's doing. And you can see it in his freaking, all you have to do is look at this chart, right? If you just go back to what I said, look, these pumps right here, these little moves here are because he is so good at soothing the markets, right? The past 3 conferences, it's gone up. And so I think the same thing is going to happen today. I don't know why we wouldn't just keep making the same trade because it keeps making us money, right? And then this hike tomorrow, I really highly doubt they're going to do 0.75 BPS today. They're going to do 0.5. It's already priced in. However, the reason that I would consider this a short-term trade, we might sell it today. We might sell it tomorrow. We might sell it next week. It looks like if you look at the trend from this chart, I know it's messy now, but I don't want to delete my lines. But you guys see where these lines are? It looks like we had a few days of pumpage after each meeting, right? This is a daily chart. So like 6 days, about 7 days, about 7, 8 days here. So probably buy today and sell next week. That would be the simple strategy in order to make the most money from this trade. There you go. Probably just made you a lot of money. You're welcome. But yeah, I don't think you should hold it much longer than that, guys, because the supply chains are screwed. I've talked about this in other videos. Go watch my other videos. The goods aren't getting in from China. The goods aren't getting in from Russia and Ukraine. And so the inflation is likely to stay high. And when the inflation is high, that means the Fed is going to have to continue to slow down the money printer over the course of the summer. Plus, there's less liquidity in the summer anyway, right? We have the sell in May and go away. You guys have heard that before. So we have less liquidity, plus less liquidity from the Fed is not a good recipe for risk assets like Bitcoin, okay? So that is why I bought some Ethereum today. I'm not going to hold it forever. I'm probably going to sell it next week at the latest, maybe sooner. I'll post all my trades live in the Discord if you want to get more up to date, like exactly when I sell, because it could be fast. Like once information comes in, I'm going to try to make decisions to be profitable here, guys. You got to move quickly. And if you're not going to join the NFT, I guess you could just follow me on Twitter, but I definitely will be posting in the Discord first. But anyway, that's what I got, guys. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you back here later. See ya. Bye.